Hello student, today we will learn about cultivation technology of linseed. Myself, Dr. Manoj Sukla. Introduction. Flax is one of the oldest cultivated crop grown for seed from which oil is extracted. It is a dual-purpose crop. Primarily, it is grown for oil purpose, and secondly, it is grown for fiber known as linen. Origin. Line's history dates back to 7000 BC when Mesopotamians used flax. Roman and ancient Greek cultivated flax for fiber and seed and established linen industry. As per Babylon, cultivated annual linseed originated from India and Ethiopia. Area and production. Flax is currently grown on about 12 million acres worldwide, with the majority of the production in Northern Europe and Russia. India occupies 25% of world acreage and ranks first in area, 4.368 lakh hectare, fourth in production, 1.725 lakh tons, and 8th in productivity, 395 kg per hectare of the flax crop. Climate. It is primarily a cold season crop. Crop grown for seed perform well in moderate cold climate, but the crop for fiber purposes require cool and moist climate. The required temperature of 25 to 30 degrees centigrade during germination, 15 to 20 degrees centigrade during seed formation. It requires high humidity. It is resistant to drought and grow well in areas receiving an annual rainfall of 450 to 750 mm. Soil. Crop grown on well-drained, moderately deep silt loam, clay loam, and silty clay soils. Light soils are not suitable, especially in low rainfall areas. Crop can tolerate soil acidity, but ideal pH is 6.0 to 6.5. Plant preparation. Majority of linseed area is rainfed and grown in marginal and submarginal land. Hence, adoption of soil and moisture conservation practices is important for good yield. 2 to 3 plowing with cultivator, followed by 2 to 3 harrowing to obtain 5 fine tilth. Hoeing after each sower conserves the soil moisture. Varieties. It is grown both in rain-fed and irrigated areas. State Himachal, rain-fed varieties Surbhi, Janki, and irrigated varieties Janki, Himalini, Nagarkot. Maharashtra, Kiran, Sitar, Jawahar 23. Madhya Pradesh, Kiran, Sitar, Jawahar 23. Punjab, LC 54, Himalini. Irrigated condition LC 54 Himalini. In Uttar Pradesh, the rain-fed varieties are Sweta, Subra, and irrigated varieties are Garima, Subra, Neela. Sowing time. Sowing time varies from October 15 to November 15 in different states depending on availability of soil moisture, irrigation, and cropping system. Early sowing helps to escape attack of powdery mildew, rust, and linseed bud dry. Seed rate. Under rain-fed condition, broadcasting requires 40 kg seed per hectare and drilling requires 30 kg seed per hectare. Under irrigated condition, broadcasting requires 35 kg seed per hectare and drilling requires 25 kg seed per hectare. 12 varieties which provide both oil and flax grow in all situations, and dual purpose varieties require 25 kg seed per hectare. Now sowing depth. Shallow sowing at 2 to 3 cm with adequate soil moisture help in early establishment. In dry situation where surface moisture is not adequate, sowing a deeper layer of 5 to 8 cm ensures germination. Space between row to row 25 to 30 cm and between plant to plant 7 to 10 cm. Now nutrient management. Under rainfed condition, you apply 40-20-20 kg NPK per hectare, and under irrigated condition 90-40-30 kg NPK per hectare. Application of FYM or compost at 5 to 8 ton per hectare at final land surface. It improves water holding capacity of soil, improves soil structure, increase nutrient uptake, thereby leading to good yield. Weed management. 30 to 35 days is critical for crop weed composition. Adequate tillage period to seeding minimize the weed growth. To intercultivation operation at 20 and 30 days after sowing with the manual weeding is ideal. Flow coiling at 1 kg AI per hectare as PPSI. PPSI means pre-plant soil incorporation. Or pre-emergence application of Alachlor at the rate 1 kg AI per hectare, or post-emergence application of dichloroform methyl at the rate 0.7 kg AI per hectare at 30 days is effective. Pronomide at the rate 1.5 kg AI per hectare is effective in controlling Cuscuta infection in linseed. Now irrigation. More than 90% of area under linseed is ranked, where old seeded and deep rooted varieties are preferred. Small seeded with the shallow rooted varieties to be preferred under irrigated conditions. Frequently, light irrigation are ideal and economical than heavy irrigation at longer interval. Linseed respond well to irrigation. Irrigations at critical stage like flowering and seed development is essential under moisture stress conditions. Providing irrigation at 35 and 75 days at double the yield of linseed. Moisture stays at stem elongation stage benefited the seed and adversely affected the stride. Now harvesting. The crop should be harvested when leaves are dry. A rule of thumb is to harvest when 90% of the seed capsule are brown and shiny. For fiber purposes, harvesting should be done at physiological maturity when the crop is still green. Crop is harvested in March to April, cutting the plant close to the ground or cooling the plants. Harvested crop is left in the field for few days for sun drying. Threshing is done by beating the dried plant with the sticks or trampling under the cattle feed. The seed is separated from chaff by winnowing. Care should be taken in cutting and the stalk and facilitate undamaged stalk in ratting. Now yield. Rainfed crop gives 3 to 7 quintal seed per hectare and irrigated crop gives 10 to 15 quintal seed per hectare. Now flax yield means linen yield 5 to 10 quintal depending upon varieties. This is the images of linseed crop. First is capsule stage, means mature stage. Second is flowering stage, and third is grain of linseed. Thank you.